Just to let you know, this is a 100% Māori-owned YouTube channel with the main mission and vision to genuinely share more Māori history and Māori culture. And today we are going to be speaking about Wi Pere. Wi Pere was born 7th of March 1837 in Tūranganui-a-Kiwa, also known as Gisborne, on the east coast of the North Island of Aotearoa, New Zealand. His father was Thomas Halbert, a Poverty Bay trader originally from the UK, and his mother was Riria Mauaranui of Te Whānau Ākai, Te Aitanga Māhaki, with whakapapa connections to Rongowhakaata. He was brought up around his kaumatua in Queer, also known as Māori elders, at Te Whare Wānganga Marae Hina. He was brought up with strong understanding in traditional Māori law and land proceedings, which also would play key to shaping his future later on down the track. During this time, it was very turbulent due to the illegal confiscations of land as well as unfair law practices taking place. This would lead up to 1876, where he was appointed as assessor at the Native Land Court, advocating for Māori interests in land disputes. 1884, where he co-founded the Horauta Māori Land Association to further prevent more illegal land confiscations, as well as retaining Māori land ownership. Within the same year, he would start his political career by being elected as the MP of the Eastern Electoral Seat, advocating for Māori land ownership and Māori political representation. He was also a big supporter of the kōtahitanga movement, which main mission and vision to achieve Māori equality, including governance over Māori-related issues, as well as land ownership rights. In 1909, he established the Wi Pere Land Trust. This would further start as a catalyst for change and legislation reform. Wi Pere established a trust to protect Māori land and also unwanted land sales, to manage land and to also make sure that future generations of Wi Pere Trust were prosperous ones. Wi Pere Trust is now $1 million business. 1856, he married Arapira Matenga Toti at Wairinga Hika. Wi Pere died 9th of December 1915. In honour of his service, his monument was unveiled on the 9th of April 1919. Although Wi Pere had already passed away, this led to 1931 Native Purposes Act. During previous years, there were many amendments on this particular piece of legislation into today, where it is now known as 2022 Māori Purposes Act, and in brackets, Wi Pere Trust. For those that loved today's episode, please don't forget, click the like button. And for those that want to hear more series about our Māori culture and Māori history, please don't forget, click the subscribe button.